Hello everyone, how are you all? I welcome you again to an interesting DIY video where you are going to learn something new and some interesting art and craft. Let's see what are we going to do. You have to paste the clay balls in this manner and paste it like this all over it. You have to make the balls look like this, the curvy balls, and then make the antennas and then the legs of insects in this manner. You can actually imagine what are we going to make, and then you have to give the imprints of a leaf. And let's see what are we going to do next. You have to give the imprints like this, and with the help of black marker you can further decorate it. Now on a tissue paper you have to just make the drawing look like this and get the cutouts in this manner of different colorful color. And let's see, again you have to make the character of this sheep, the face of a sheep, and then take the cutout. On a beautiful land you have to paste the sheep and then the mouth. You can actually imagine what we have created, and then you can further decorate it using your imagination and colors and all. Make the cloud and everything that is required to make the painting. Now let's see, with the help of brush you have to spread the colors in this manner. All over it you will be getting a beautiful amazing pattern, and then make the eyes and then keep on proceeding in this manner and make it look like this, the tiger part, and let's see how it is going to look at. Isn't it amazing? Now let's see, you have to take the fog and then make the imprints in this manner, and with the help of watercolor you have to give the imprints one over the other, and your Christmas tree is ready. Again with the help of earbud you have to give the dots like this, and on the top of it you will be getting a star. Now take the imprint of your hand, make it a bit colorful, and let's see, with the help of black marker you further have to make the lines in this manner. And let's see what are we going to make. Make the tie part and then the shirt you have to further decorate it, make the heart shape pattern, and on the top of it you have to make the crown look like this, and then the hairy part you have to make the hairs with the help of brown color and then decorate further. You have to make the eyes, spectacles in this manner with the help of black marker, and then the eyes and then the mustaches, a beautiful smile. Keep on proceeding. You have to take the transparent paper bag and then just give it a beautiful lovely look, and then you have to just give the imprints in this manner all over it. You'll be getting beautiful lovely imprints. Just join them using your wax crayons, and then you have to just take the part of a plastic bottle cap and then you have to paste it. Keep on proceeding in this manner, and let's see, again you have to just do the everything, cover it with the help of watercolor, and then you have to just make it look like this. Let it dry and you have to spread the sprinkles in this manner, and you have to just make the beautiful lovely plants and all. And let's see what are we gonna do. With the help of this black watercolor and brush paint brushes you have to draw the character in this manner. Let's see what are we going to draw. And yes, it's a heavy shark looking. Isn't it looking so scary? You can make another aquatic creatures that can be found inside the sea, at the bottom of the sea. Beautiful lovely sea. You can further decorate it using your imagination and everything that you want. Keep on proceeding in this manner, and let's see, you can just further paste the eyes and make it look even more realistic and all. Make the fins and it's absolutely ready. Keep on proceeding in this manner. You have to make a Japanese fan looking like this, and then tie them further and make the antennas on the top of it. Just color it a bit from one top to bottom, and on either side you have to make it look colorful with the help of different colors. And then let's see, you have to make the butterflies look like this. Isn't it amazing? Decorate it further. Keep on proceeding in this manner. Take the imprints of your hand, and what you have to do, you have to paste it in this manner, and then the googly eyes like this, and your aliens are ready, isn't it? You can make the shark, your aliens, in this manner so as to make it look a bit scary, and you can actually scare your friends. Just decorate it further and it's absolutely ready to go. Isn't it looking so amazing? Thank you so much for watching the video.